Toulouse, the pink city of France, a beautiful haven for international students and young professionals. Calm, serene southern hospitality. Hey, I know all that, but where can I find English books in Toulouse? You've come to the right place. Hi, I eat words for breakfast, and I'm a reader of English novels who's been living in La Ville Host for more than 5 years now. As excellent as life is in Toulouse, there's one common question that we all English speakers have in our head. Where can we find reading material in English without having to deal with French or immense shipping costs? Now, the obvious answer to where you can find English books in France in general is the library and the bookstore. Let's go on a mini tour of these places in Toulouse so you know exactly where to find what. There are three main types of locations. The first kind, the library. In France, a library is called a bibliothèque or a médiathèque. We're going to Mediathèque José Cabanes, which is located in this big arch between Jean Jaurès and Matabu Gare SNCF. Going up to the second floor in the Homa VO section, where you can find three shelves of English books. These are fiction across all genres. Entry to the library is free and you can spend time there as long as it's open. However, if you want to take a book home, you need a membership, which is quite simple to obtain and depending on your situation, costs either 8 or 17 euros per year. It's free for people in certain situations and you can check your eligibility on the library website. And if you're searching for a particular title or author, you can also check that on the online catalog. The second kind of location should be an easy guess. The bookstores. Careful, in France, the bookstores are called librairies, which is not a library in English. The most popular bookstores for English books in Toulouse are all located in Capitol. Ombre Blanche VO, Guibet, Librairie Comptoir du Rêve Romantici, and the creatively named The Bookshop. Ombre Blanche. This is an independent bookstore with multiple locations in Toulouse, but there's only one location you can find English books, which is VO, Version Original. They have a collection of new books with mainly paperbacks, but there are some beautiful hardcovers as well. I've seen paperbacks generally priced between 13 to 18 euros, but of course the hardcovers are more expensive. If you're purchasing a book here, get the Carte de Fidelité, which is free and it allows you to gain some discounts after you make a certain number of purchases. Gibet. This is my preferred bookstore and the first place I usually check. Reason? They sell used books in great condition at a discounted price. And I'm a huge supporter of giving old books a new home. My home. Between the third and fourth floors is where the English books are located in this central pillar. There are all kinds of fiction and a small section dedicated to non-fiction as well. If a book has this yellow sticker on it that says Occasion, it means it's a used book. Gibet has a loyalty program that allows you to accumulate points with every purchase. The bookshop. This is a cozy bookstore with all English books and an excellent reading nook. The staff give great recommendations and the price depends on the book itself. It's the perfect place to just browse. Librairie Comptoir du Rêve Romantici. This one caters to all fantasy, new romance, and romantasy fans. The English books are located in the basement. While it's a pricey store for my taste, this is the place for you to get your hands on the latest Sprayed Edge or the hardcover romantasy series. Don't worry, I've added the addresses of all of these locations in the video description. The third kind of location is the boîte aux livres. If you've ever taken a walk in Toulouse, you might have come across these book boxes. Sometimes you might find an English book or two, but don't forget to place it back or exchange it once you're done. Beyond all these locations, the best place for you to find an English book is to ask your reader friends if you can borrow one of theirs. But beware of getting blacklisted if you fold page corners or stain the pages. Now, these may not seem like a lot of options, but trust me, this is a lot more than I had 5 years ago. Happy reading, and don't forget to get that library membership.